Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Herscher, or 15 miles southwest of Kankakee, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gilman, Herscher, Clifton, Chubets, Ashcombe, Danforth, Martinton, Buckingham, Gabbury, and Irwin, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 283 and 305. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.